After testing the Taleo Adapt on ramps, demonstrate the benefits and explain noteworthy aspects for walking on stairs. Walking up, the 2 additional degrees of dorsiflexion range helps the user by bringing their body weight more forward while walking up the steps. Next, explain how to properly walk downstairs with the Taleo Adapt. As with other prosthetic feet, the aim is to place roughly half of the prosthetic foot onto the step. In this way, no additional hydraulic plantar flexion will take place. Also demonstrate the effect of placing only the heel onto the step in a safe training environment. In this case, additional plantar flexion will happen, which reduces toe clearance during swing phase. Repeat the training for proper stair descent until the user feels confident with the behavior of the Taleo Adapt on stairs.